cheapest, best earphones ever. So why would I say that? And they're more cheaper earphones. Like I used to personally use the Sennheiser CX180 Street 2, but as good as they are, there are a lot of problems with that. Like for one is this, it gets tangled way too easily. Secondly, it has no sort of button to pause, play or move to the next song, which does become an issue when you have to keep taking your phone out. So which is why I did not really like this a lot, and which is why I got the Sony MDR-XB55AP. Now there's several reasons why I like this earphone, but before that let's unbox this first and I'll tell you why. Okay, so this is the unboxing, so let's make this quick. So these are the earphones. Let's keep them aside for a while. The user instruction manual, a pouch, that's handy, and extra silicone earbuds. So let's talk about the earphone. So the first thing right out of the box, you can notice it does not get tangled. Like I took it out of the box, it wasn't tangled, and even if you roll it up, it's easily separatable, so that's a plus point. Secondly, I like the finish of this earphone. It looks expensive. It has this nice metallic finish on both sides, so that's pretty good. Okay, so what's special about these earphones? So the first thing is, there are different types of people when it comes to music, and I'm a bass lover, and these are bass boosted. They are meant for EDM music, and that's amazing for my side. So if you're into EDM music and you want cheap earphones, not the expensive ones, you can take these because they are more powerful when it comes to bass drops. Secondly, it has a button. So it has three functions. So 1 to play or pause, 2 to go to the next song, and 3 to go to the previous song. So normally it's fixed, but what's amazing is you can download this app called Smart Key. So what Smart Key does is, it's a Sony app. So if you can see this, it has 3 different options for 1 press, 2 press and 3 press for idle and when music is playing. So now if you just toggle this, you can change the functionality of each action to whatever you want. Similarly when it's idle. So I think that's pretty amazing that you can function each press to whatever you want. So it's your user choice. So that makes it even more better. And I did listen to sound quality, so I can say it's pretty good. So now it's not noise cancelling per se, as in it has no special feature called noise cancelling, but it is loud enough and powerful enough such that you put it at a pretty decent high volume, it will mute the surrounding noise and you will not be able to hear what your own voice or what other people are saying. So I do love these earphones. I've been using it for quite some time, and this retails at Amazon for $2,490, but there's a 15% discount, so you can get it for $2,000 nearly. And there are 2 types. One is a premium one, which comes with an inline mic, which I bought so you can answer calls, etc. And if you're not into answering the calls part, you can always buy the non-premium one, which does not have an inline mic, but it still has the button. So either way, I would really recommend these earphones for people who are not trying to invest too much into good earphones. They're pretty good, you will love them, and I don't regret buying them at all. So thank you for watching this video. If you do like this video, please like, share and subscribe. I will be making more unboxing tech reviews as I buy new stuff. For now, that's all. So bye.